Good morning, teacher. Good morning, my friend. I am going to talk about global citizenship discovery analysis. My name is Andres Cando. The idea of global citizenship was very old historical root, but put in its current construction the process that goes from the creation of the United Nations in 1945 and the Universal Declaration of Human Rights of 119 109 148 has played a very important role. I arose with the adaptation of the sustainable development goals and the Paris Agreement on climate change in 2015. In this trajectory, therefore, the more than 17 years of the United Nations had been keyed for the concept to nature adapting to the reality of globalization in its different facets. It is about citizenship that unfolds at various levels, shape spheres, and moments, without having a single institutional frame or for reference. And the New World Order it seeks to expand its scope and exercise of democratization rules in public decisions that can severely affect that basic aspect of our society, especially the concrete life of people, especially minority and neglected groups. Its objective is to defend human dignity and promote society responsibility or international solidarity. Uh, I which tolerance includes an recognition of diversity, not only to occupy a central place in this discourse, but also in its practice, which is reflected in the multiplicity of actors involved in global citizenship. Attention. Thank you for your attention.